Okay, Jingo.
Yeah, I saw a shooting star, I think it fell for you. Crazy how you break my heart and you can melt it so. And I'm always
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDB, and I am back with my favorite person right here. Okay, like we have a 1-year contract that we have to meet once a year. Okay, so this same time last year, I'll put the video here, we created some fire on a rooftop. And so I'm back in South Carolina, and so we had to do it again. Okay, now where can we find you at?
Morgan Sukamnit on Instagram.
Okay, I'm gonna put that in the bottom left-hand corner. Now, what we have today is something very special. There's a lot of 35 F1.2s, so I wanted to test the third-party versions. Here we have the Sigma 35 F1.2 and the newly released Viltrox 35 F1.2. So I want to see which one gives the best quality shooting on the A7IV. Now you can kind of see the vibe that we have here, and it's a nice aesthetic. Now I wanted to do this outside, but it's gloomy, it's cold, it's rainy, so this is the alternative. With the 1.2, I really want to try to get some textures, and so I felt like this place had some textures with the brick wall and things like that, so I think it will work. I'm going to use natural light coming from this window, obviously, but then I may incorporate some flash, and we're going to get these shots. Now, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, well, let's do it. So let's see what we got right here. 1, 2, perfect. Let's see. 1, 2. Let me get you just kind of right there, but looking out right there. Yeah, that's fire. 1, 2, 2. Perfect. Oh, this is it right here. 1, 2. Boom. Perfect. Boom. Let me get both hands kind of in the hair. Boom. 1, 2. And I'm gonna get a full body. 1, 2. Oh yeah.
Drowning my head, I'm losing the mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could.
Yeah, 1, 2. Perfect. Boom. Perfect. Oh, yeah, that's nice right there. 1, 2. Yep. Perfect. Let me get some shots of you just kind of over like this way. Yeah. 1, 2. There we go. Perfect. So, can you put one leg on that side? Yeah. All right, let's see. 1, 2. All right, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are